It is zucchini season, and every time I come out to the garden, there's more of these giants that have seemingly grown overnight. And I'm all about it. We love using them in pasta and zucchini bread, and recently I've become obsessed with making zucchini pickles. Did you know you can make pickles out of zucchini? It is amazing. Just one zucchini this size of my head will make a whole quart-sized jar of delicious vinegary pickles, and they're so easy to make with this no-cook recipe. These are quick refrigerator pickles that can be enjoyed in as little as a few hours or for several days, and they're packed with flavor and nutrition. And we're going to show you how we even make them sugar-free. So let's bring these babies inside and let's make some zucchini pickles. Grab yourself a quart jar and we're going to slice up one large zucchini. You can cut these up however you like, thick slices, thin slices, spears, chunks, sky's the limit. Just cut them up. And we're going to put these directly into our mason jar. I also like to add about 1/4 of an onion, which I just slice up. I'm using a yellow onion, but white onion will be great, or even a red onion, whatever you like. Just pack it down in there. Yay, it fit. We'll also add a couple cloves of garlic. You can slice or chop these if you want to, but I'm just gonna smash, peel, and dump them in. All the flavor is going to soak into everything in our juice. All right, now for sweetener. You can use granulated sugar if you like, but I'm trying to cut sugar where I can, so I'm using this whole earth allulose and monk fruit sweetener. It's 0 added sugar, and I promise you can't even tell the difference. We'll toss in 3 tablespoons of that. And then 2 teaspoons of sea salt. And I like to add a teaspoon of turmeric. It's super good for you and gives these pickles amazing flavor and this beautiful bright yellow color. All right, so now for our pickling liquid, we're simply using some vinegar and water. And we're just gonna use plain old white vinegar, nothing fancy. I like my pickles really vinegary, so I do 1 cup of vinegar and 1/2 cup of water. If you prefer less vinegary, you can adjust that ratio to be more water, less vinegar. And we'll just pour this into our jar right over our seasonings and veggies. Now pop the lid on your jar. Give it a gentle tussle to combine it all together. And we'll pop her in the fridge to chill and get all happy and flavorful. These are an amazing, healthy, flavorful, low-calorie snack. I can hardly stay out of the fridge. And they also go great with so many dishes. Oh my goodness, you need to make these. These zucchini keep coming, so if you have more flavor combo ideas, drop them in the comments so we can give them a try. This was short and sweet, but we appreciate you hanging out with us today. Drop this recipe a like, share it with your friends or family who may be overrun with zucchini and looking for delicious ideas, and subscribe to our channel for more family favorite recipes. Now you go have an amazing day. Thanks for watching, and happy home cooking!